So I'm giving the mail for you.
Yo, what is that, bro? Yo, is that the multicolor RGB lights from Get CCLED lights?
Yeah?
No way, bro. Let's go put these things on right now. Alright, yo, so now we got the Mike Buff SC Bikes Fast Ripper right here. And this is what the bike looks like just with no lights right here. Simple, plain Jane, you know, pretty dope ass bike, but it could use some bling to it. But yo, let's check out what we got in the packaging right here, bro. See these lights, man. Bro, oh, okay. 3D printed. Says CCLED LRH pack. This thing goes on the hub right there. And this is the multicolor one, guys. It's not just one solid color. So they have 3 of them. They have one that's multicolor, and then they have one that's just one solid color, and then they have like a plasma one, which is like insane lights. It comes with 2 chargers. Got all the parts laid out that come with the lights. These LEDs look like some really good quality LEDs, bro. I'm not gonna show you guys how to install it because they have a really good install video on their YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to it below if you guys need it. And yeah, let's just get these things on there. Oh, yo, what's good, G's? Now we're in Santa Monica Pier with the Fast Ripper with the Get CC LED lights installed on the Fast Ripper. So, bro, let's see what this looks like, bro. Holy shit. Damn. That shit look crazy. Oh, yo, let's see how many colors they got, though. They got blue. Got like different shades of pink and stuff. I think I'm gonna put it on the color changing mode though. Yeah, so it's a little bit hard to find the color switching mode, but I found it. You just kind of like press the top button like 5 times, and then you can eventually find the color changing mode. So it's gonna flip between all the colors, bro. That is so sick. Damn, bro, look at the Fast Ripper right now, dude. This thing is looking crazy. All right, bro, let's hop on this brand new, clean ass Fast Ripper, bro. This thing is sick. Woo, it is windy as hell. It's a gloomy day out right now, guys, but we had to get outside and get this video. Hey, yo guys, by the way, I got a ski mask on because of my hair. So don't worry about the ski mask. It's because my hair is so long.
That's right. That's right. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going.
God damn it.
We done found a couple cars, we finna max out. When I'm digging in your bitch, I make it tap out. If I pop this Xanax bar, I'm finna pass out.
Fuck! Alright, yo, we're about to head up there. Let's see what's up.
Bitch, I'm ready to blow. I ain't fucking with these niggas, but we not the same. You call that 5K, I call it pocket change. I got the drinky on me in that whole 50. Diamonds on my neck, they cost a whole 50. All these sliding that form with your whole whip. Everything I got designer head to toe with. If a nigga say it's up, it's on the floor with. Gotta keep the chop on you with this soul.
Hey,
on my wrist, all like.
Damn it, bro. Alright, yo, let's go over there.
Smoke, smoke, smoke.
Ah! Yo, we in GTA 5 right now. Yo, over here, Max. Take a right, take a right. Guys, one thing I love about these lights is that I no longer hate riding at night, bro. Like, it's so much fun riding at night, bro. I feel like a fucking Power Ranger, bro. Yo, this reminds me of that scene from Final Destination. Y'all know that scene? Hey, now this is the spot right here, bro. Yes, sir. E-Box Dragster and the fast stripper outside, bro. Look at these lights. They're just switching up colors. Guys, by the way, these lights last 4 hours, bro. So you can be out riding in the nighttime for a hell of a long time and you still got hella lights on your bike, dude. Another thing is that you can actually replace these light strips. So say if these light strips were to get damaged or they just stop working for some reason, you can like buy new ones for like 30 bucks. And as long as this power thing in the middle here is still intact and still in good condition, your lights are still gonna work, dude. I'm in the pink mode right now, bro, because I love the color pink. Hey. Oh. Yeah, we're in the Santa Monica Pier. It's like, I think it's like 8 p.m. or something, so it's a little bit packed right now. Yo, hold up, bro. Yo, let's go over here real quick, man. Give you guys a little experience of going through Santa Monica Pier if y'all haven't been through Santa Monica Pier, bro. Yo, I will never go on any of these rides. I bet they're like $35 million just to go on one of the rides. Yeah, work those legs. Work those legs. Guys, there was a SC bike ride out here like 2 weeks ago, bro. I completely missed it. I was so sad, bro. Oh my God! Holy shit! Woo! Yeah, I've never tried that before. Yo, these lights are looking sick as fuck. Oh, Max, you want to try these lights out, bro?
Sure, bro, I'm down.
Damn. Yo, Max, you think you can wheelie that thing, bro? Hell no. Yeah, we on the dragster now, bro. Bro, Maximo just fucked up the brakes on this rotor, bro. Holy shit, the front brakes are like cooked. What's wrong with this bike right now? Why is it so weird? Yo, I haven't ridden an e-bike in a fat minute. Alright. Ooh. This dragster is cooked. Oh my God. Yo, look at my front suspension. It's not even tight. It's like about to fall off.
What are you talking about?
Look at this.
What's loose?
Chilling. Oh. Oh shit. Hold up. Guys, I'm telling y'all need to get the wheelie bar, bro. Look at what you can do with it. I'm just chilling. Oh, fuck. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We just went out to the Santa Monica Pier with the Get CCLED lights, bro. One thing I do gotta tell you guys about these lights is that buttons, they're kind of hard to press sometimes. You gotta like really get in there and like press it hard. So that's one of the only downplays that I don't like about these lights, but they last you a hella long time, bro. I've heard from the company that they've had light sets that last them like 2 years, bro. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys later.